This video is regarding directives. So what are directives? Directives add dynamic behavior to the templates. There are two types of directives, structural directive and attribute directive. Okay. So structural directive has the power to render the UI and UI DOM elements, and it contains ngIf and ngFor. So ngIf is useful for conditional rendering, like showing or hiding the elements based on the user authentication or status. And ngFor, it is essential for displaying lists or arrays, like rendering product lists. Okay, so let's discuss with example. Okay, suppose I have two div. Okay, first div, okay, and second div. Okay, so I want to render this based on some conditions. Okay, so like first one, user is logged in. Okay, and second one is please log in. Okay, so I want to render it based on some condition. So let's go to component file. Here we will write the condition. We will declare one variable is logged in is equals to true. Okay, so we can change it to false to render another div. Okay, so let's go to the UI. What it is showing? So currently it is showing user is logged in and please log in. Okay, it is showing both. So what we need to do, we want to apply condition, right? ngIf, if this property is true, is logged in is true, then it should show only this div, user is logged in. Okay, otherwise it will show second div. Fine, let's make it in H1 to highlight it. Okay, so let's go to UI. Currently it is showing both. Why? Because we haven't write condition here. Write condition in second div. We will write negate. Okay, if is logged in is false, then it will show please log in. Okay, so now go to the UI. Currently it is showing user is logged in. Why? Because we have set it to true. If we set it to false, then it will show another div, please log in. Okay, this is how we render using ngIf. Okay, so now let's check for ngFor. So ngFor is used to repeat a block of HTML for each item in a list. So let's prepare a list first. Okay, let's create a list. Let's say items array. Okay, it should contain some items, apple. Okay, apple, kiwi, banana. Okay, so it is array of items. Now we want to render it in the UI page. Okay, so make another div. Let's say we will make list, and here we will add item, and here we will write for loop. For equals to let item of, then here we will write array name. What is the name? Items. Okay. Okay. So let's go to UI. It is showing some error. Let's check. Okay. We should write it in the string. Okay. Let's check again. So now it is showing apple, kiwi, and banana in the UI. Okay. So here star ngFor, it will loop through items array and create a list for each element in the array. Firstly, it will take apple and then it will print apple, then banana, then kiwi. Okay. So it is shown in it is rendered in the UI using for loop, using ngFor. So this is about structural directive. We have discussed ngIf and ngFor. And in the next video, we will discuss about attribute directives.